Assalamu alaikum students. This lecture is for class 7th, subject political science. Unit is democracy. We learned about the introduction and the historical background of democracy in school. Now we will see the third topic of it, what makes democracy popular. Why is democracy popular all over the world, all over the India? Reasons for making democracy a popular choice. As we know that democracy is the government which gives the power to people to elect their representatives. The people cast vote for their representatives who work for the welfare of the people. Now, first thing is the power to people. Democracy gives power to people. As we know that Abraham Lincoln has well said about democracy that a government of the people, for the people and by the people. It means that democracy is a form of government which works for the people, which is brought by the people and which can be dismantled by the people and which can be perished by the people. That means people have the power. लोगों के पास इख्तियार है कि वो गवर्नमेंट बना भी सकती है और इसको गिरा भी सकती है. That means democracy gives the power to ultimate power to people. The ultimate power lies with the hands of people. The democracy does not give chance or choice to a particular individual, but to the people in general. That means democracy is not biased towards a particular individual, but it gives chance to whole people in general. It gives the power to citizens of the country. It works for the welfare of people. It brings equality. Which form of government? Democratic form of government. So we can say democracy works for the people and its working depends upon the participation of the people. Democracy gives the power to people, but the power is whether people participate in democracy or not. People's participation in the form of casting vote, whether that is important or not, we will see. People should participate fully, then only it brings the fruitful results. That means democracy gives the power to people, but people should participate in democratic form of government. Then only the form of government gives fruitful or welfare results for the general people. Then comes the question, how people will participate? कैसे वो participate करे? कैसे वो अपनी government को चुने? The answer is elections. Elections. People participate through casting their vote in elections. So casting vote in elections becomes duty and right of people in a democratic country to participate in decision making. That means elections are the platform where people cast their vote and choose their representatives and becomes a part in decision making. While when they choose their representatives who are in the parliament or in the legislatures, while they form the policies, laws for the people, but indirectly people also participate in decision making. People also participate in making policies for themselves. But this is the indirect participation in democracy. There are two types of democracy, direct democracy and indirect democracy. Direct democracy means all laws, bills and even court decisions are voted on by the citizens. That means in democracy, whether laws are formed, whether bills are framed, even the court decisions, the judiciary which gives the decisions are voted by the citizens. Example, we have the Switzerland or Athens, or we call it Greece. Indirect democracy means people elect their representatives through voting and those representatives form the laws or bills for the people. But in direct democracy, people directly vote on the bills and laws. But in indirect democracy, they choose their representatives who ultimately forms laws and policies for the people. Now, people participate in elections, choose their representatives as the elections are the main instrument of power in the hands of people, which makes them more powerful and dominant in democracy. So we can say elections are the platform through which people choose their representatives. People are being given power. People are dominant in democratic form of government through elections. So above 18 years of age can cast his or her vote. So the citizens can cast vote whether while they are the age of 18 years. Vote to choose their representatives who work for the welfare of people, as we already discussed at this point. The another thing, to lead the country to development. That means democratic form of government gives the people the chance, the choice to lead the country towards the development. Development, whether technological development, whether educational development, whether empowerment of the women. It is the democratic form of government which gives people the equality, the fraternity, the brotherhood, which leads them towards the development. Another point is the element of decentralization. Democratic form of government brings the element of decentralization. What is decentralization? It means sharing of power. Sharing of power. It means we have three stages of power, that is central government, state government and local self-government. All the three wings of the government perform their duties for the welfare of the people. Separate of education. As we know that we have the right to education in Article 21A, that's our fundamental right. It is given because of the democratic form of government. The separate of education brings the equality among the people. It gives the empowerment to the people to lead towards the development. Free media. As we know that we have the media which represents the views of the people, which represents the views of our representatives. When policies, laws are formed by our representatives, they are brought before people by the media. And when people criticize or give their feedback, it is through media which becomes a medium between the people and our representatives. Independent judiciary. It's because of the judiciary the decisions are fair. The democratic form of government brings the independent judiciary, that our courts are not biased. Our courts are given decisions on the basis of facts and true facts. And also the independent judiciary is not under any power, under any pressure while giving their decisions on any issue. Thank you very much.